Now we are comparing Xiaomi 14C with Motorola H50 Pro. Let's check. In hand feel, which one is best? Thickness 7.8 mm, better than 8.2 mm. Peanut 7.8. Weight 178 gram, better than 186 gram. Build quality, check on build quality. Which one is better? Built leather and aluminium, almost the same. Both. Resistance, Xiaomi no water resistance, Motorola IP68 water resistance. Now watch your display. Which one is better? Display size, almost same. Display type, LTPO AMOLED, POLED, almost same. Resolution, Full HD+, almost same. Refresh rate, 144 Hz Motorola winner. That sampling rate, 240 Hz, almost same. Both. Brightness, Xiaomi 3000 nits, better than 2000. Protection vectors 2, best, better than Glass 5. HDR10 plus support, both are same. Now check OS UI. Which one is better? Android 14, almost both same. Now check performance. Which one better performance? Xiaomi Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, better than Motorola. CPU process 4 nanometer, almost both same. Octa-core processor, Xiaomi better. Motorola. GPU Adreno 735, almost better. Storage, check our storage. Storage variant, almost same, but more Motorola. Storage type UFS 4.0, Xiaomi is better. Card slot, no. Check our main camera. Which one is better? Xiaomi 50 megapixel main camera, 50 telephoto 12 ultra wide. And Motorola 50 megapixel main camera, 10 telephoto 13 ultra wide. But Xiaomi is better. Main camera video recording 4K, almost same. Now front camera. Which one is best? Front camera 50 megapixel Motorola, better than Xiaomi. Front camera video recording, Full HD+, almost same, but now check battery. Your previous will be covered. Xiaomi battery almost best, 7. Battery charging 125, Motorola best. Connectivity almost 2 mobile, 5G network, and 5G band, yes. Both same. Connectivity Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, yes, almost both same. Connectivity cable type 2.0, both are same. Sound, check a sound. Headphone jack, no. Speaker stereo, almost both same. Security, which security is better? Fingerprint in display, face unlock, yes, almost both same. Now check a price. Motorola price almost better. Now check a winner. Which one is better? What I think. You know, yes, think Motorola H50 Pro winner. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.